Hi, Cedric Wilson here, and today we're going to talk about careers for men over 50. This is a great subject matter for me because a couple of years back, I was turning 50 and I made a career change based on some, different things that was going on in my life. And one of the things that I had to consider when I was thinking about this career at 50, over 50, was, number one, is this something that I want to do until retirement? Is it something that I'm very passionate about? Number two is I had to change my thought process from actually a career from a job. A job is something where basically you're going to change your W-2, you go to work for another corporation, and it's not basically a career. It's something that you can move from place to place to place to place. Now, a career is something that you're going to have to put your time, your energy. You're going to have to spend extra time learning your craft, developing certain skills. And that's what a career is all about. A career is something that, when people see you, they say, wow, this person is that. He's an insurance rep. This person is a doctor. This person is a lawyer. Now, at 50, it's a little bit harder. It's a whole lot harder than, when you were 20, because if you decide to go back to school, what's going to happen? You're going to basically probably have to go out there and get loans to go to school, which is going to put you in a position where you possibly will be paying those loans back for the next 10 years or so. So what happened with myself was I started looking online, and I wanted to work for myself and create a career at the same time. And luckily I did. I actually just learned to market on the internet and was able to learn to set my, being able to set my own hours and different things like that. So my friend and I, Steve, we just went into a business a couple of months ago where we're helping people change their lives and actually creating a new career field for people. And the link is below. Go check us out, or go to www.workwithcedricandsteve.com. This is something that I believe that is going to help a lot of people, and just check it out for yourself. So with that, this is Cedric Wilson. I insist on you making it a great day. Bye-bye for now.